Hey, I'm back to making a few more steps. I wanted to add one more point. All the logs and the pieces that I'm cutting are basically pieces that are left over. Or in this case, see this log here going down the trail, that long one? That was crossing the trail down there a little further. So we started to cut it so we can just walk through it. And then it was so long, we decided to use it, to incorporate it. Similarly, right up here, there was another tree. Well, it's gone now because I've been using it. But there was another tree sitting here that was really nice and solid, so we're using that. And here it is. Here's, in fact, that top step was the piece right before this. I wanted to point out this tree here. If you notice, it has a little branch sticking out. So instead of cutting that branch, I am just going to take it, and the next step, I am going to use that kind of as a dowel. So when I pound this in, I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it straight down, and I'm going to use that as a device that's going to be stronger than a dowel. So use what they give you. This entire trail is full of little things like that, where if I saw some interesting turn or curve on the piece of log, I used that curve in a step that was curving. So it's been really fun just finding things here in the forest and figuring out how I can use it to make it look like it's always been there. Anyway, just wanted to share. On with the steps.